We found 10 home remedies that will make it easy for you to lose your stubborn belly fat without exercise. Yeah, we're going to make you work out, but we know that a lot of us really don't have time to do that. So, without exercising like this video, would you like to shed a few fat pounds so that we know and pay attention to what we are going to share with you? Digit 10th. Drink lemon water on a smooth tummy. Flat tummy water is a great benefit and makes the tummy flat, as the name suggests. Since it is naturally flavored water, there can be several kinds of it. We all know that 8 glasses of water a day is safe to drink, and it is a lot stronger and healthier drink than some juice. In order to spice things up, we recommend that you select which ingredient to add to your water, and try adding lemon to it. Lemon juice and pulp are high in citric acid and vitamin C fiber. The most familiar thing on the list looks like vitamin C, but the other 2 elements are healthy for you as well. Lemon will help you speed up the process of fat burning to lose weight quicker, and it gives you the sensation of fullness so that you will have fewer cravings for a while to eat more. It is super easy to make that flat tummy lemon drink. What you have to do is squeeze in a bottle of water with half a lemon. This drink will start your day, and you will wash your body clean of toxins and make your liver function more efficiently. 9 of them preferred cranberry juice over soda. What is your favorite cocktail for refreshment? Have we ever seen you say soda? Consider a change in diet. If not better, cranberry juice tastes just as sweet and is a much healthier option. It is a strong source of minerals containing vitamin C, vitamins, and a digestive enzyme called organic acid. You will find certain brands of cranberry juice contain sugar. If you buy it from a supermarket, you can try to stop them. You should try making a drink free of your own cranberry sugar. Cranberries may be seasonal fruit, but at any time of the year, you can still find them at shops in the frozen form. It might be tough for anyone who does not survive without soda to move to this sugar-free drink, but it is worth it because health counts, and a smooth tummy looks fantastic. Oh. 8. To the diet, add chia seeds. How much are chia seeds attached to your meals? If there's a daily answer, that means you're doing the right thing. A perfect source of vitamins, carbohydrates, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids are the chia seeds. All of this makes them a major partner in weight loss. If your meals do not use chia seeds, it is a smart time to start doing so. We're going to teach how. In the first place, it is important not to eat dry seeds. Using for the ones that are hydrated. How do you add them to your food, then? For the most important meal of the day, consider doing it. For breakfast. When you fry it or add it to your smoothie, a fiber-rich breakfast can do your body a lot of good, so consider adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your oatmeal. Chia pancakes made with a banana puree of egg whites and chia seeds are also very tasty and nutritious. Chia seeds will go along with them if you like scrambled eggs or 7 spice up your diet with ginger tea. Spiced tea sounds so hot, so you could either cook it wrong and add too much ginger to it. However, the correct amount of it is a safety must. Ginger burns fat because it balances blood sugar, makes you feel satisfied, and takes down your appetite. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? Try this yourself, then. It's quick to throw away a good ginger tea. You're going to need 4 cups of purified water, 2 tablespoons of organic lemon juice, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey per inches of ginger root. The ginger root is diced and then added to freshly boiling water. Let it soak, sealed with a lid, for 5 minutes. Wait for it to cool off a little and apply lemon juice and honey to the remaining ingredients. These, in their ways, will help your well-being. The drink can be eaten hot or cold. Taking it daily will help you grow to a flat belly on your way. To lose belly fat, 6 sips of green tea. Green tea is something more than just hot water with a taste. Maybe you didn't know it had caffeine in it. It's a strong detoxifier. Yeah, that's almost like coffee. When it is taken in appropriate doses, caffeine is known for its fat-burning properties. Yet the antioxidants, called pathogens, are the strongest green tea because the skin glows and your fat burns during exercise and rest. Right now, brew a cup for yourself. 5 dandelion tea experiments. That dandelion. Yeah, it turns out that the sweet little flower aids in weight loss. These days, dandelion tea is becoming a more and more popular drink because people know about its medicinal properties and they want it to be able to make a safe tea using either the leaves of the dandelion roots. Infused leaves of dandelion tend to stimulate the digestion process and lead to weight loss. C. It needs to be broken down first to ignite. Drinking tea with dandelion helps to quickly break down fat. Thanks to that breakdown, the energy released contributes to your stamina and you can lose weight at a faster pace, and it also makes you feel complete trick, so after drinking it, you will want to eat less. We made it through to our top 4. Would you like to try some of the treatments we have so far recommended? Then like this video and share which of them in the comments you want to try out. When it comes to fat burning, keep watching until the end to find out what the miracle food is and one big secret that is true for all remedies. Don't underestimate the influence of cayenne peppers. Number 4. Have you ever seen the effect that consuming a spicy pepper has on you? Yeah, the body temperature increases are hard to forget and it goes into cool down mode. As a result, it consumes calories faster, improving the metabolism as well. You can get a potent fat-burning blend if you mash cayenne pepper and ginger together. Every day, take it with your meals. Research conducted in 2014 found that it helps to make people feel fuller, so they have fewer cravings. 3. Add to your diet with coconut oil. Coconut oil, when it comes to fat burning, smells like paradise and is a superhero. It has a special fatty acid mixture in it that is perfect for your metabolism. In your diet, coconut oil helps you lose abdominal fat, the really bad fat that sticks around your organs and can cause significant complications such as diabetes and heart disease. It'll do you a lot of good to get rid of it, and yes, it will help you get rid of stubborn fat around your buttocks, stomach, and thighs. When it comes to salt tang, stir-frying and baking virgin or extra virgin oil has a good coconut flavor. For using cinnamon, organic refined coconut oil can become your best friend. Cinnamon offers its own ways to help you lose weight. It is effective at regulating the body's blood sugar levels. It also speeds up your metabolism and helps to use carbohydrates in your body that would otherwise turn into excess fat. So have it when you can add it to yogurt or cottage every day. For a good breakfast, spice up your smoothie or oatmeal or have a cinnamon capsule before you eat. Again, this is going to help you regulate your appetite. To lose belly fat, one uses garlic. We've made it to the top of our garlic meat list. Alright, most likely you've met with it before. But you might know that when it comes to burning fat, it is a miracle food. It suppresses your appetite and sends your brain full of signals. By stimulating the nervous system to release the hormone adrenaline, it stimulates metabolism. It stops the body from storing fat. We're also unsure if you can have it, because of the stinking smell. Don't doubt it, 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic in the morning would make the impact worth it, and then have some lemon water. Bear in mind that both of these remedies will also work as an extension to the training schedule. But we don't want you to leave the gym forever, but even without it, we'll show you what you can focus on. Finally, knowing that there is one thing that can ruin it all is necessary, so you can stop it. That's not every day eating hamburgers, even though it's also terrible. Stress is that. When you worry a lot about your new diet plan being too fat or not having any result. Stress hormones are created by your body. They affect the digestive system and it contributes to bloating. Bam. Cortisol, which adds a fatty layer to your abdomen, is also created by a stressed body. So, at least 7 hours of sleep a day. Do not use smoking as a reliever of stress and do the stuff you love. You're going to love the outcome. We hope this video has been found helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up if so. If he likes to get 50,000, we're going to make another one to share the secrets of losing fat. In order not to miss our posts, subscribe to our channel.